Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you programs on decision making statements. So let's start. This is the first program. Write a program to check if the input number is odd or even number with the help of simple if else statement. So what is the concept of even or odd number? If you will find 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at unit place, then that particular number is even number. Otherwise, that is an odd number. So in case of even number, if you will divide even number by 2, so what will be the remainder in that case? That is 0, right? So here what we will do, we will take first number from user, take number from user, then apply the condition, say number is A, apply the condition A modular division 2 equals to 0, then if yes, then the number is even, if no, then the number is odd. So what we will do, we will just apply the simple if else statement. So what we will do, first of all, we will take one number from the user, say A, that is the variable, equals to int of input enter a number, okay. Now we will just apply if else condition. So before applying if else condition, why I have taken int over here? Because input of any number will give you string value, and we are interested in integer value. That's why we have written int over here. Now we'll apply this simple if else block. If A modular division 2 equals to 0, then print, just always take care of this column whenever you are writing any condition. Print entered number is even. Next, we'll write down else condition. Else, just take care of this column. Print enter number is odd. Okay, now I will show you the same program in PyCharm editor, and we will see its output in PyCharm editor. See, I have written the same program in PyCharm editor. Now we will run this program. Just click on this run button. Again click on this run button. Now select the file name. See here the file name is even or odd number. So this is the file name. Click on this one. Now enter a number. The number is 45. And what is 45? Definitely that is an odd number. See, the output is the enter number is an odd number. Now once again run the program. Make sure the same file name over here. Now click on the run button. Now say I am taking 44, and what is 44? The enter number is an even number. Now we will see second program. and that is write a program to find the maximum number among the three input numbers. So to find the maximum number among the three numbers, we will use if, elif, else statement. So what we will do, first of all, we will take three numbers from the user, and then after we'll apply if, elif, else block. How? I will just make you understand. First of all, say a, that is equals to int of input of enter first number Now similarly we will take another number in the variable say b, that is equals to int of input of enter second number. Now similarly we will take third number in the variable c, int of input of enter third number. Now we will apply if, elif, else block. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, just don't forget to write down colon over here. So what does it mean? It means both conditions are satisfied. AND is an operator, right? We will apply this operator to check whether these two conditions are true or not. If both the conditions will true, then and then only the statement followed this one will be executed. So if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, so what does it mean? It means a is the greatest number. So we will just write down print statement, that is print the greatest number is the greatest number is, just write down semicolon and write down the number a. Okay, now we will write down elif b is greater than a and b is greater than c. So what does it mean? It means b is the greatest number. So we will write down print statement, the greatest number is b. At last we will write down else statement. Else, what will be the else statement? Definitely the default statement. And what is that in this case? That is c is the greatest number. So we will write down print the greatest number is c. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm editor. See, I have written the same program over here. Now I will just run this program. So we'll click on this run button. Click on this run button. Select the file name. What is that? Maximum among the three numbers, right? So this is the file name, maximum among the three numbers. Just click on this. Now enter first number. See, the first number is 14. Enter second number. Say the second number is 85. Enter third number is 7. Now what will be the output in this case? The maximum among the three enter number is 85. Now we will see program number 3. Program number 3 is write a program to check if the year is a leap year or not. So what is leap year? The leap year is always divisible by 4. It means if you will divide a year by 4, you will get remainder 0. So what we will do, we will take 1 year, from user, then after store that particular year in one variable, say A. Now apply A modulo division 4, and if we will find that is equals to 0, then the entered year is a leap year, and otherwise that year is not a leap year. And for that purpose we will use if else statement, right? So we'll write the program, say A equals to int of input of enter a year Now just we'll apply simple if else statement. If A modular division 4 equals to 0, if we'll divide a year by 4 and if we'll get remainder equals to 0, then that particular year is a leap year, right? Always remember this column. Now I will write down print entered year is a leap year, comma, and that is A, right? Then after else print entered year is not a leap year. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm editor. See, I have written the same program in PyCharm editor. Now I will just run this program. To run this program, click on the run button. Again, click on this run button. Select the file name. Here the file name is leap year or not. So I will just select the file leap year or not, right? Okay, that is this one, leap year or not. Just click on this. Now enter the year. See, the year is 2004, and 2004 is a leap year, so it will give you the output. The entire year is a leap year, and that is 2004. Okay, I will just run this program once again for you. Make sure here should be the same file. Now click on this run button, enter the year, see 2021. Now definitely we know that 2021 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. You can see that the entered year is not a leap year, which is 2021. So in today's session we have seen 3 programs based on control statements. Thank you for watching this video.